Hello students, welcome. I am Shilpa Darge and in this lecture we will continue our unit number 2nd. And in this unit, it means in this lecture we especially focus on the exercise of this unit. So let's see. Before start the exercise, try to understand some part related to our management function. Okay, it means in short there is a summary about all function of management. In this first, that is planning. This is a fundamental function of management which gives the outline above, that is where to go, how to go, and how to reduce the risks of uncertain future with the help of forecasting. Okay, in short, the planning means what? It is a advanced programming plan for the future. Okay, then organizing. The synchronization and combination of workforce, physical, financial, and information resources are established in the process of organizing. Okay, it means in the organizing process there is a combination of all resources which are helpful or which are used in the businesses. Okay, then third, staffing. It is a process of attracting, recruiting, selecting, placing, appraising, remunerating, developing, and retaining the best workforce. Okay, it means in the business organization for the purpose of good workforce, it means good employees. For that there is a need of various process, that is attracting, recruiting, selecting, placing, appraising, remunerating, developing, etc. And all this process comes under the staffing in short related to only employees. Then directing. It is a process or technique of instructing, guiding, inspiring, counseling, overseeing, and leading people towards the accomplishment of organizational goals. Okay, what is meant by directing? In this process, the directors or higher authorities give the instructions, some guidance, inspiration, counseling, and also lead with the other people for the purpose of completion of their goals. Okay, then coordinating. It is the integration and synchronization of the efforts of group so as to provide unity of action for organizational goals. Okay, in short, what is meant by coordinating? In the coordinating there is a combination of all group efforts. Okay, at that time it provides the unity of action for achieving the goals. Then after controlling, it is a process of comparing the actual performance with predetermined standard performance. Okay, in short, in the controlling, according to plan that may be applied in the organization or not, or as per the plan they try to achieve. So such things for the adopting in the business organization there is a need of controlling. Okay, then after, see the exercise. In the exercise, first point, that is select the correct option and rewrite the sentence. Okay, in this first question, that is function of management start with dash function. As per our knowledge, all students know that function of management start with planning and ends with controlling. So what is the answer? Obviously planning. Okay, then the function of management end with controlling. Okay, start with planning, ends with controlling. Okay, then that sets out standards for controlling. Okay, so which function set out the standards for controlling? That is planning. Okay, planning and controlling, these are the most integral part of the function of management, or these two functions considered as fundamental function of management. Okay, without controlling, planning not possible. Without planning, controlling not possible. So for that it is considered as standards. Then organization function is important for execution of plans which have been prepared by dash management. Okay, it means in short all the implementation of plan or execution of plan that may be prepared by the higher level of authorities, that is nothing but top level. So what is the answer? That is top level management. Then dash is the function which is supposed to activate the plan with the help of employee. Okay, with the help of employee, it means who supposed to the employees for achieve the plans. Such comes under the process of directing. Okay, it means directing. This is a function which suppose or which directs to activate the plan with the help of employees. Then dash is the function of execution according to the plans and organizational structure. Again answer same, that is the directing. Then dash arrange the work in a such a way that minimum conflicts are raised. Okay, so for that purpose which functions is required in the business organization? That is coordinating. With the help of coordinating, conflicts may be that can be minimized. Then our next point or next question related to exercise, that is match the pairs in the group A: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, and in a group B they are near about 10 points. So let's we discuss. In the group A, first planning. What is the answer from group B? Correct answer, that is number 3rd. Deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, and who is to do it. Okay. Then second point, group A, organizing. What is the correct answer of organizing? That is as per the group B, 6th number. Decides the ways and means to achieve what has been planned. Okay, it means according to plan what we want to organize, that ways comes under the organizing. Then staffing. Staffing consists with the, that is 9 number. It is the process of recruiting, selecting, placing and remunerating. Then directing. Directing consists with the, this is a process of instructing, guiding, communicating and motivating. And last, that is coordinating. Coordinating, correct answer from group B, that is it is an integration and synchronization of efforts of group. Okay. Then after C section, give one word, phrase or term of the following statement. Okay, in this first, the right person at the job with right pay. This related to function of management. Which function? That is nothing but staffing. In the staffing, they recruit or select correct person for the right job with the right pay. Then a person who shows the correct path as well as guides employees in solving problems. Okay, so directing function, who can guide or show the correct way to the employee for solving their problems. Okay, next function, first function of management, that is obviously planning. Last function of management, that is controlling. Then 5th number, it is an intellectual process of logical thinking and rational decision making. What is the answer? Obviously planning. Okay, in the planning there is a need of some logical thing and correct decision making. The term that is used to denote the structure, which term? That is organization. Organization, that is the related to unit or structure. Then it is the process of attracting, recruiting, selecting, placing, remunerating the people. Obviously answer is what? That is staffing. Then the process that leads the employees towards accomplishment of organizational goals. Okay, process that leads employees. Okay, this is related to directing. It increases the team spirit of work, place. Which function helps to increase the team spirit? That is coordination. Okay, when there is a proper coordination between all levels of the business organization, it create the or it maintain the good team spirit, and for that purpose there is a need of which function? That is coordination. Then after, it is a process of comparing the actual performance with predetermined standard performance. Obviously answer controlling. Controlling always makes the comparison between actual and predetermined performance. Okay. Next one, that is state the whether following statements are true or false. Okay. First, every function of management is not based on planning. Answer is what? Correct. Or what? That is obviously answer is false, because every function of management that is completely depends on the planning. Without planning they may not follow other functions of management. So for every function of management is based on the planning. This is a correct statement. Then after, specialization in activities leads to increase in organizational efficiency. This is right. It means this is true. Specialization, this is a requirement for the increasing efficiency of the organization. Then qualified, efficient and skilled workforce is always an asset of organization. This is right. Okay. When organization appoint the well qualified, efficient workers or skilled workforce, that is considered as one of the important asset of organization. So for this is a right answer. Then cooperation is not necessary for smooth flow of organizational activities. This is completely false, because without cooperation this is not possible to work organizational activities by way of smoothly. Okay, it means with the help of coordination, cooperation, the organizational activities performed by way of effectively, efficiently and also smoothly. Then coordination motivates the employees to take initiative while completing their tasks. Answer, this is true. Then 6 number, standards are not set for every performance in controlling function. This is wrong, because standards that are set for the every performance in the controlling functions. Then after, find the odd one. Okay, there are functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, writing. Okay, which is the odd one? Obviously writing. Other three, that is planning, organizing, staffing, these are the function of management. Then selecting, training, coordinating and placing. Which one, which is the odd one? That is from second. Obviously coordinating, because selecting, training, placing consists with the function of staffing. Okay, so from that coordinating is odd one. Then complete the sentences. Okay, the task of getting the things done by others known as, obviously, management. Management means what? To complete the task doing by others. Then function of manager start with planning. Then the dash function of management initiate action. This is related to directing. Directing, it means to start the action. Recruitment are done under the, obviously, in the staffing function. Dash is the fundamental function of management, which is the, that is planning. Then dash integrates departmental activities for achieving common goal of the organization, that is coordinating. Coordinating integrates all the activities for achieving common goal. Dash is the last function of management, that is controlling. Then after G section, select the correct option from the bracket. Okay, first, planning is detailed program of, in bracket, present, future, past course of action. What is the correct option? Obviously future, because planning consists with future. Directing is the responsibility of manager, workers, people at all levels. This responsibility of obviously manager. Then qualified, efficient and skilled workforce is always an liabilities, asset, expenses of the organization. What is the answer? That is asset. Then after, answer in one sentence. Okay, all of you try to give the answer in one sentence related to question what is meant by management, what is meant by planning, staffing, directing, controlling, etc. Okay, then after I section, that is correct the underlined word and rewrite the following sentences. Okay, in this first, factor of business environment are always fixed. This is right? No, because factor of business environment are always changing. Then staffing is concerned with machine? No, this is related to humans. Then directing is a function of comparing the actual performance with predetermined performance. Directing is not correct. Instead of directing, controlling is a function. Then coordination helps to maximize the wastage of resources and control the cost of work. Instead of maximize, which is the correct word, that is minimize. Controlling measures are rigid to the some extent. No, controlling measures are flexible to the some extent. Then last bit, that is arranging proper order. Controlling, organizing, planning. First of all planning, then organizing, then after controlling. And second, directing, coordinating, staffing. In this, first of all staffing, then directing and then coordinating. Okay, so by this way, this is a section A related to our exercise, from A to J. Okay, and related to other question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the related to some cases situation, difference between answer in brief, justify, or long answer type question. Okay, and these questions all of you try to solve by yourself. Okay, thank you.